Hi there, Karen Stanko with RE/MAX here, and
Mark Rossman, Alberta Mortgage Professionals and the Enriched Mortgage Group.
So today we're here to discuss with you about whether it is still in your best interest to be moving to Alberta and whether there really is an Alberta advantage. So we're going to talk about the average home prices in Toronto and Vancouver versus Edmonton and Alberta. Well, I'll include Calgary in there. So you're going to want to check out this video if you are one of those that is considering moving provinces, like 45,000 people did last year. So, Mark,
yes.
Average home prices in Toronto or Vancouver are about $1 million. So what does that do for a mortgage? How much would a mortgage be for that amount?
So if we're looking at, let's say just over $1 million, you're looking at a mortgage payment about $1,500 per month.
Okay, so you're looking at around $5,800 per month. So plus taxes would be probably in Vancouver, I'm thinking, well, it's got a PST and it does have a land transfer tax if you are selling. That's one of the Alberta advantages. So you're probably, your taxes are probably $1,000 a month plus utilities.
Oh, really?
Well, they would be for $1 million house, don't you think?
Yeah.
Because in Edmonton here, $1 million home is about $8,000 per year in taxes.
I didn't really think about it.
Yeah.
Good, but that makes sense, right?
Yeah, I would say so. Well, probably maybe not 1,000, but maybe about 750.
Yeah.
And viewers can correct us if we're wrong. So an Edmonton house, I know that we're just recently selling one for around $1 million, and the taxes are around $8,500 per year.
Yeah.
My house is currently tax assessed at around $655,000, and my taxes are $6,500 a year. So now let's go into Edmonton. Average house prices here are about $480,000. What would be a mortgage rate for around that?
So mortgage payment on $480,000, you're looking at $2,800.
Okay, so
So
that's
we're
about
looking
$3,000
at $3,000
difference. Okay, so that's one of the advantages. So if you are looking, this is what you want to pen into your notebook. That's usually for a double attached garage. You're looking at around the $480,000. Now in Calgary, average house prices are about $555,000, and they are predicting that by next year we'll be at end of this year we'll be at around the $500,000 mark, and maybe approaching Calgary's boom by next year. So what is your thoughts? What would be a Calgary $555,000?
So payment on a price of $550,000, you're looking about $3,200. Again, if you look comparable to Edmonton, you're $2,800, so you're looking about a $400 difference in affordability. But you have to also include, I think you mentioned to me earlier, that
the taxes.
Okay.
So the property taxes in Edmonton versus Calgary is pretty significant difference. We're about $1,000 more in Edmonton for some particular reason, no idea. So we're with that, it almost works out to be about $400 difference a month. So adding on utilities, on utilities and PST and stuff like that, you're on average, your PST, or you'd be saving 7% at least, because I think, or what is it, 5% in BC?
Yeah, 5% PST.
5% PST. So on everything that you purchase, and average groceries here without the PST. I think for a family of 4, I would budget probably around $1,200 a month.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
And that's not eating out or anything like that. Fuel prices, BC versus Alberta, if you are running a gas car still, our gas prices currently are at $1.30 a liter. And I believe in BC, last time I was there, was $1.68 a liter. So that's a significant difference too. I mean, the difference is in Vancouver, there's a lot more friendly public transport versus Edmonton, where we are just growing our transport. Now, there is that significant amount that you can probably get in an investment in a single family home in Edmonton versus Vancouver. Are we actually going to grow to $1 million average home? Right now we're at $480,000. Which seems absurd. Before the boom of 2006 and 2007, Edmonton's average house prices was $145,000. Isn't that a significant difference? So we have already went up significantly. Will we reach $1 million? The question is, by the end of the year, will we reach 500,000? And do the numbers work for you? If you are thinking about moving to Edmonton and surrounding area, or Alberta, because Mark does do some mortgages in all of Alberta, we'd love to be your mortgage broker and realtor of choice. Our information is on the comments below. And I would love you to subscribe to my video, as I am putting out quite a bit of content and I'm interested to hear what you have to say. Karen Stank with RE/MAX. See you at the next one. Thanks for joining us.